Is email really just an old man's channel? And hasn't it been dying for years? Meanwhile, SMS often gets bad rep because, let's face it, nobody loves a text from a marketer. Well, here we are in 2025, and guess what? Neither of these myths hold up. Both email and SMS are not only alive, they're thriving. But these channels have unique vibes and strengths, and today we're breaking it all down to make your choice crystal Pepsi clear. First up, let's talk about email marketing. It's been around for decades and remains a cornerstone of digital marketing strategies. Here are some key insights. 59% of B2B marketers say that email is their preferred channel for revenue generation. And on top of that, 76% of consumers said they like to get emails from brands. Email allows for detailed content, personalized messaging, and the ability to share various formats like images, videos, links, or other interactive elements. It's excellent for building customer relationships and driving sales over time. Now let's shift to SMS marketing. With the ever-expanding rise of smartphone usage, SMS has become a powerful tool for marketers. SMS messages boast a 98% open rate, and 95% of the SMS messages are read within 3 minutes. SMS is perfect for time-sensitive promotions, appointment reminders, order and shipping updates, and flash sales. Its immediacy ensures your message is seen almost instantly. Now let's compare both of these channels' average metrics, but do take this information with a grain of salt, since it can vary greatly based on various factors: your industry, your content strategy, list quality, send times, seasonality, etc. So let's begin with engagement. Email averages CTR at around 2.6%, while SMS averages at approximately 6.1%. While emails allow for more content, SMS messages often lead to higher immediate engagement due to their concise nature. But ultimately, what we want is conversions. So which channel delivers better results? Email's average conversion rate is 15.2%, while SMS average conversion rate is 29%. SMS marketing shows a higher conversion rate, making it a compelling choice for driving immediate actions. And while results are great, budget matters just as much. Let's talk costs. Email offers generally lower cost per message, as it usually comes as a subscription cost for your email service provider. SMS, however, has a higher cost, as these are usually priced on a per message basis. While SMS can be more expensive per message, its higher engagement can justify the investment, especially for time-sensitive campaigns. Now, compliance is key in marketing, and both these channels are quite strict. Email requires clear opt-in and easy opt-out options. Don't fret though, these are usually taken care of by your ESP. For example, in Omnisend, the sign-up forms have the option to add a legal consent or GDPR block, which allows your potential subscribers to read through your privacy policy and check the box expressing their consent to receive promotions from you. And if someone decides to unsubscribe from your messages, they can always find the unsubscribe link at the bottom of your emails. SMS is subject to somewhat stricter regulations. Explicit consent is mandatory. For example, we can use the same legal block and change it to TCPA. Additionally, you have to follow the regulations for certain countries for easy opt-out, which Omnisend does for you. You can see ways your subscribers can opt out in the message preview. Always ensure you're following regulations to maintain trust and avoid hefty penalties. So with all this information, here's a brief summary of both of these channels. Email has the advantage of versatility because it supports adjusting the overall design of the email as well as adding images, hyperlinks, and other interactive elements. Their message length is also essentially endless, which makes it ideal for newsletters, nurturing, product announcements, and other long-term promotions. And while email cannot boast about most of its metrics, it is still an overall cheaper option. SMS can flex its metrics all it wants. With its immediate nature, shorter message size, and clearer CTA, it ranks higher in terms of performance. However, in some cases, it could be a more expensive option. SMS is perfect for flash sales, appointment reminders, order updates, and other time-sensitive matters. So here's the big question. You can choose the channel that aligns best with your message and desired outcome. But why choose one when you can have both? Combining email and SMS can amplify your reach and effectiveness. For example, send a detailed email about an upcoming sale and follow up with an SMS reminder as the date approaches. At Omnisend, we empower you to harness the strengths of both channels seamlessly. Our platform allows you to create integrated email and SMS campaigns, automate workflows, and analyze performance across various channels, ensuring you deliver the right message at the right time. Ready to elevate your marketing strategy? Sign up now for Omnisend today and unlock the full potential of email and SMS marketing combined. And here comes the end screen, as expected. That's a pretty cool thumbnail right there. I wonder if I can click it. Like, can I? No. No, I guess I can't. You're gonna have to do it. Give it a try. Come on.